Hey, welcome to Tarmac. Today I'm back behind the wheel of Lexus's brutish, or very muscular, RC-F. This one is the 10th anniversary edition, and there's plenty of changes, of which I'll show you around now. Hope you enjoy the ride. I say brutish and muscular because under the bonnet is a lovely long-standing Lexus V8 5-litre engine. It delivers 351 kilowatts and 530 newton meters. You gotta love that. It's bragging a fuel consumption of 10.9 litres per 100 k's, but I don't think I'm going to get anywhere near that, and a CO2 emissions of 253 grams per kilometre. At 4.7 metres long and almost 2 metres wide, she's not shy on retiring, and also at a weight of around 2 tons, it really does have quite a lot of oomph behind it. To celebrate the 10-year anniversary, the additions for both the GSF and the RC-F are a little bit out there actually. Actually, both cars, the GSF and the RC-F, come with a matte finish nebula grey paintwork and 19-inch gloss black wheels. Some lovely blue painted brake calipers, which are obviously Brembo. The front sports seats in this RC-F are blue, obviously, and white accents along them. We've got a blue accented shift knob, actually. Steering wheel and instrument panel is blue, embossed leather headliner, and also the coupe's interior gives a very, very personal appearance, especially when you look at this carbon fibre with a blue accent through it. It's got some subtle 10th anniversary badging. On the outside here we have carbon fibre boot lip spoiler, and that's actually retractable, so it goes up and down at whatever speeds you're heading for. Quad exhaust, lovely. Sports bumper with mesh spindle grille. F-Sport, F-Performance, very strong sounding, very well poised, heaps of luxury, heaps of refinement. It's just such a great car. They still have the haptic touchpad to navigate around the infotainment system, which from a musical point of view is brought to you by Mark Levison, and it's very loud when it needs to be. Heated steering wheel, heated seats, ventilated seats. The dashboard is looking a little bit tired. I think it could do with a little bit of modernising, but the screen is awesome, really large, really easy to get around. So much information coming across on the dials, the instrument cluster. It's you can go with G-force, you can go with how your traction is controlled. Just really nice. Still not a big fan of adaptive cruise being behind the wheel. I prefer it to be on the steering wheel, but again, that's personal preference, and I'm probably sure at some point they'll bring it up to the front. Really plush, really good feeling, lovely handling. Yeah, within reason, but thoroughly enjoy this car. See, I'm even in matching blue. It's comfortable, it's loud when it needs to be, and it's Lexus refinement. Just tremendous. I gotta love that sound. So there you have it, the RC-F F-Sport 10th anniversary edition. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks.